Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Ourtime. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in ourtime.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Ourtime website. Now right from the home page, you can choose your preferences to continue signing up. Click on the drop down menu and choose who you're interested in. Then choose your preferred age range and then enter your zip code. Finally, click on the View Singles button and you will be asked to enter your date of birth. Type in your date of birth and click on the That's It button. Then enter your first name and click on the Next button. You will then be asked to enter your email address. Type in your email and click on the Next button once again, and you will be asked to enter your preferred password. After entering your password, click on the That's It button, and as soon as you click on the Next button after setting up your password, you will be signed up to your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Ourtime. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.